Find an equation of a line through negative 15, 4 that is perpendicular to the line 5x minus 6y equals 18. Give your slope or answer in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So we have a line here. We want a line perpendicular to that line, and it needs to pass through this point, negative 15, 4. So first, what we need to do is find the slope of this line, because lines that are perpendicular have slopes that are negative reciprocals. So first step, let's put this in slope-intercept form so that we can clearly see what the slope is. So we have 5x minus 6y equals 18. We want to isolate the y, so we'll first subtract 5x from both sides. We'll get a negative 6y. We want to remember that sign in front of that negative 6y, or in front of 6y. So negative 6y equals, now I'm going to write the 5x term first, but I'll keep the sign with it, negative 5x. 18 is positive, so I'll have plus 18. Now I need to divide by negative 6 to all three terms. So that cancels. I end up with y equals negative divided by a negative becomes a positive 5/6x minus 3. Now really all I'm interested in here is the slope. The y-intercept doesn't matter. The slope is the part that has the relationship. So if this original line has a slope of 5/6, I need to find the negative reciprocal of this. In that case, it's going to be flip it, so we get 6/5. Since this one's positive, 6/5 needs to be negative. So I'll have negative 6/5 for my new perpendicular slope, and I can even cross that line out to say, okay, done with that line. Now I can use this slope with the point negative 15, 4 to find my equation of this new line we're looking for. So we'll substitute into y equals mx plus. So now I'm going to substitute these into this equation. So 4 in for y equals, my slope is negative 6/5 times x, which is negative 15, and then plus b. So I want to multiply these. I want to put negative 15 over 1. So I notice here 5 and 15 are both divisible by 5. So let's cross cancel these. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by negative 15 is a negative 3. And so now I can just multiply these. So 4 equals negative 6 times negative 3. Well, that will be a positive 18. I can put it over 1, but you don't have to. And then plus b. Let's finish isolating that b, minus the 18 to both sides. So 4 minus 18, I'm going to get negative 14 equals b. So now I have my y-intercept, I have my slope, and so I can write that new equation. So y equals negative 6/5 x minus 14. So that is the equation of the line perpendicular to 5x minus 6y equals 18 that passes through this point, negative 15, 4.